Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a local development environment for React. Setting up a development environment is very easy and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First step is install Node.js. First thing you need to do is install Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code outside of your web browser. Go to Node.js, downloads, so you can pick whichever the download you want based on your operating system. Either it's a Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and download the installer required for your operating system or your local machine. Go through the installer wizard to install Node.js on your local machine. I would prefer to use LTS always because it's a long-term support version. And if you want to download, you can go to current and download that as well. This is the latest one and this is a long-term support version. Once downloaded, just run the installer and follow the installation wizard to complete the installation process. You click on it, you see the Node.js installer downloaded to your local machine. I've already installed Node.js on my local machine. The way we verify whether it's installed or no, I have a Windows operating system, so I have to open up command prompt to confirm actually the Node.js is installed or no. Run as administrator. If you are using Mac, then you have to open up a Mac terminal. Same with Linux. So the way we verify is by running command, which is node-b, Node version 18.13.0 installed on my machine. And Node.js always comes with npm, and we can verify that as well whether it's installed or no by executing npm command, which is npm-b. It's gonna take a while, still processing. Yeah, you can see the npm version is 8.19.3. Once this is confirmed, step 2, install a code editor. We need to have some kind of code editor to build and run React application. There are different kinds of code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom. I would prefer Visual Studio Code always. It's user-friendly, very comfortable to work on, and easy to use. There are plugins you can use along with the Visual Studio Code. The way we install Visual Studio Code is by going to official website. Go to Visual Studio Code and go to downloads. You can download the Visual Studio installer by clicking on Windows or Mac, whatever. My local machine is on Windows operating system. Once you click on that, you see Visual Studio Code user setup.exe is downloaded onto your local machine. Right click on this exe, run as admin. Go to the wizard and set up Visual Studio Code. Step 3, create a React app. Now that you have installed Node.js and code editor, create a new React app. To do this, you can use a tool called create React app. The way we do is open up command prompt, cmd, and then run as administrator. Navigate to React tutorial. Now I have to run npm install global g create -react -app. This will install the packages required for React application. So you can see all this has been installed and we are good to go to create a new React application. Once this is done, we have to create a new React app by using another command, which is npx create React app name. My first React app, and hit enter. Using npx create React app and your app name, you're going to create a new app. You can see all these are getting installed, installing packages. That might take a couple of minutes. Installing React, React DOM, and React script. Installing Git repository. Installing template dependencies using npm. We're all set. Once this is done, we can go ahead and open the application in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Go to Files and open folder. And I have a path ready. And select my first React app. This is my first React app. You can see the source code, public, files, and node modules. If you are familiar with the Angular, this is the same file structure almost you see in Angular as well. So what we do is now we can go ahead and run this application. Open up terminal. So do you remember the commands npm start, npm run build, run this command in our terminal? Let's get started. Asking for permission to allow access. I should see the page now with all the content. This is our first React application up and running. This is a basic React page we can customize later based on our requirement. That's it. You have successfully set up a local development environment for React. Now you can start building your own React apps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on React and other web development topics. Thank you for your time and happy coding.